Your face is one of the first things people notice, and smooth, healthy skin can boost your confidence in ways you may not even realize. Today, let's explore simple, effective habits that can help you achieve a smoother, softer, and more radiant complexion. Everything begins with cleansing. The way you wash your face sets the tone for how your skin behaves all day. Use a gentle cleanser, something mild enough to clean without stripping your natural oils, and always wash with lukewarm water. Hot water can damage the skin barrier and make your face feel tight, irritated, and rough. Cleansing in the morning refreshes the skin, and cleansing at night removes makeup, sunscreen, sweat, and pollution that build up throughout the day. Another essential step for smooth skin is exfoliation. When done correctly, it helps remove dead skin cells and reveals a fresher, more polished surface. Chemical exfoliants such as glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid can be especially helpful. They gently dissolve buildup and unclog pores, leaving your face softer and more refined. But moderation is key. Exfoliating too often can irritate the skin and create more texture. 2 or 3 times a week is enough for most people. Hydration plays a major role in how smooth your face looks and feels. A good moisturizer keeps your skin soft, plump, and comfortable. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramides, and squalane help lock in moisture and support your skin barrier. Applying moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp can boost absorption and give you a softer, smoother finish. And of course, internal hydration matters too. Drinking water and eating water-rich foods helps keep your skin refreshed from the inside out. Sunscreen is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining smooth skin. Daily sun protection prevents roughness, dark spots, discoloration, and premature aging. Even on cloudy days or when you're indoors, UV rays can affect your skin. Using a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning is one of the easiest ways to protect your glow. Certain ingredients can make a big difference in smoothing your face over time. Vitamin C brightens and improves overall clarity. Retinol helps renew the skin, reduce texture, and refine pores. Niacinamide supports the skin barrier and balances oil production. And peptides help keep your skin feeling firm and